So we've been experimenting a bit more with YouTube Shorts recently for our own brand and for some of our clients as well. And there is a test happening at the moment on YouTube Shorts, which which does allow you to edit your YouTube Shorts within the app. So this update will be really handy if you're creating YouTube Shorts actually in the app. And the goal here is that it's going to help creators avoid placing components in locations which might be obstructed by elements like the like button, the video description, the comments, what we call channel furniture. YouTube says that it's planning to roll this out to all users soon, pending the results of its initial experiment. The editing is pretty basic, but just for context, we thought it was quite good to see these screenshots. YouTube on the left here has a lot more elements in the UI that could obscure your video compared to Instagram on the right. So you can see the like button, the dislike button, the comment button, the share button, etc., all down the right hand side there. So really making sure that none of your text or key elements in your video are overlaid with some of that channel furniture. And that editor on YouTube Shorts will help that. We have been starting to do a bit more reposting content over to YouTube Shorts just to see the overall effectiveness. We're seeing some pretty good results so far. Nothing kind of wildly going viral, but definitely able to gather a few more views, a few more hundred views on videos on YouTube because of our kind of regular, consistent approach to shorts. So putting a couple of things up on shorts each week at the moment. So really interesting to see how that area of YouTube is growing. One of the questions that we get asked a lot is how long should social videos be? And this is really interesting because social video is currently getting a lot longer. After Instagram recently announced that they are now supporting videos up to 3 minutes, Blue Sky is the latest social media app to follow suit. So they recently rolled out the ability to upload 3-minute videos. Now, this has posed a few questions amongst us and our clients as to what the current lengths are for videos in terms of how long you can post content on each platform. So just a bit of a rundown here. You can now upload 3-minute content on Reels, Blue Sky, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok goes right up to 10 minutes. LinkedIn also goes up to 10 minutes. X is 2 minutes 20, so 140 seconds for free. But premium subscribers to X can now upload up to 4-hour long content on X and up to 10 minutes long on Android. So 4 hours on iOS or x.com and 10 minutes on Android. So I'm not quite sure why there's such a difference between iOS and Android there. But that, of course, is only for premium subscribers. So this poses the question, are videos in social getting longer? Should they be longer? Well, this is something that a few brands have started to do some analysis into, including Buffer. And according to Buffer's analysis of more than 1 million TikTok videos, they found that shorter videos do dominate the platform, with around 86% of the videos posted to the platform being under a minute in length. But their analysis found that videos longer than 60 seconds tend to get at least 43% more reach and 63% more watch time than shorter videos. So essentially, if you want to get noticed on TikTok, short videos work really well. But if you want to engage people and get them watching for longer, get them properly invested in your brand story, your message, longer videos may well work here. So the approach is to have different videos for different objectives. So if you're really focused on building your followers at the moment, you'll want to have quite a lot of short, sharp videos that just engage people, get noticed, brand awareness, perhaps invite people to your feed. Whereas if you're looking to convert followers into long-term customers, then longer videos allow you to tell more of your brand story. The best thing really is a blend of both. So despite Meta's recent expansion to 3-minute long reels, one of the things that we noticed at Avocado Social this month is that you can only use 90 seconds of the same song in their app editing due to music licensing agreements. So if you're using a 3-minute long reel and you're hoping to put some trending music on that, at the moment it's virtually impossible because of the music licensing agreements. Now, you could get around this by adding commercial music or adding music that's commercially available in a third-party app like CapCut or Canva, but you're then potentially missing out on that additional boost in reach because it's a trending audio. So there is a little bit of a kind of balance there as to what you're trying to do with your video. We're wondering what will happen with edits, whether the app will have the same restrictions with 90 seconds of the same song being the current limitation, or will it open the floor to 3-minute long music clips being able to be used? So something that we will report back on. If you do hit this error message, then as I said, the get around would be to find a commercially available music track that's 3 minutes long or longer via a third-party app like CapCut or Canva, or you could just not have any music on that video and just purely use voiceover.